welcome to your English lesson to take away. I am teacher Sophie and I'll be your English teacher today. It is so nice to meet you. Maybe it's the first time, maybe it's not. But in any case, I'm happy and I hope you are too. Today's topic, I'm going to give you a little hint to guess what is our topic today. Today we are back to school. I'm so happy about it. I'm so excited, aren't you? What I love the most about going back to school is to pack my school bag and to look at all the supplies I need to learn. What do I have in my school bag? Let's see. I've got a brand new pencil case. It's beautiful. It has so much colors. Look, it's orange. There's some pink also. You can see it here. There's some blue just over there and some gold. Wow, it's shiny. I love it. And look at this little pom-pom. It's so colorful. I love it. Come and follow me. We'll check what's inside. So what do I have in my pencil case? Let's see. Let's open it. Oh wow, there's a lot of things inside. So, I have a red pen. I have a blue pen. I have, a green pen. 1, 2, 3 pens. Oh, and look, I've got a 4th pen. This one is a black pen. Okay, let's see what else I've got. Oh, that's interesting. I've got a pencil. Look, it's a funny pencil. It's all floppy. And it's got a little rubber just over there. Well, if I have a pencil, I should find I've got a bigger rubber, bigger than the one at the end of the pencil. So here's the rubber, and I've got a pencil sharpener. I've got some scissors. I need to be careful with this one or I could hurt myself. Ouch. Let's see. Wow, you know how much I love the colors. Well, I've got some markers over there. I've got a blue marker. I've got a red marker. I've got a purple marker. I've got a green marker. I've got a pink marker. I've got a yellow marker. Oh, that's my favorite color. And I've got an orange marker. Oh, look at all these colors. It looks like a rainbow. There's one last thing in my pencil case. That's my favorite supply. It's an ink pen. Oh, wow. Well, it looks like I'm ready for school. What about you? Are you ready for school? Show me what's in your pencil case. If you want to know more about the back to school topic, then please click on the links below. You will find a movie suggestion, a book you can listen to, a song you can learn, and some activities you can do at home with your family or your friends. I just have one last thing to tell you, and that is have a good one and see you soon!